As you know, Washington Hospital is in the midst of an ambitious expansion project, a project that began in 2004 to expand our capacity to make us safer while keeping up with the growing needs of our community today, and to meet those needs well into the future. Hello, my name is John Thomas Mahegan, and welcome to the second in a series of Facilities Master Plan updates. We'll be bringing you to keep you up to date on the latest hospital construction progress. I'm standing in the generator room of the new power plant here at Washington Hospital. These computer-controlled generators wait in standby, ready to start automatically if PG&E power goes away. If that happens, they will restore power to our most critical loads within 10 seconds. If the outage is prolonged, they can run around the clock, providing non-stop power to the entire hospital, independent of any other power plant. The hospital's power is self-contained. In our last update, we talked about the commissioning process, the system of checks and balances that are in place to ensure that the facilities are up to code. But what about the people who run the plant? What about engineers who work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to guarantee that the hospital is never without power? What are the challenges involved in learning how to run this state-of-the-art technology? To answer these questions, we checked with Washington Hospital's engineering supervisor, Mr. Tom McIntyre.
The training is paramount in order to make sure that the equipment runs in optimum condition. You have to know what's going on, not only with the computer control side of things, but then there's still the basic boilers, generators, motors, pumps. All of that has recommended daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, monthly maintenance. There's so many different systems that we have over here. Each one comprises many different components. So all the engineers, every single one of them, needs to have an advanced understanding of every dial, every controller for every piece of equipment that we just got before we bring it online, so that they will know how to operate that equipment to the full extent, automated, manually, to keep all the services running for the hospital. The factory shows us everything about it. We have manuals that we have to go through after the fact, and there's just a whole lot involved with actually learning each one of these systems.
When you have this sophisticated equipment, you got to have training. It's not like old school, like the old days when I started 27 years ago, where you walked in and just turned it on, open the valves, close this. It's all done by computer. So training is extremely important. It used to be you came in on your old systems, you didn't need the training. It was kind of self-taught. If you had to turn something on, you open the valve, close the valve, didn't work, get a hammer, get some wrenches. Now, computerized system is so much more advanced. I've been here a long time. Now I have to learn this new advanced systems to bring it online, to repair it, to make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's not like the old days.
It's the training to the depth of manual manipulation of this equipment that needs to happen with every single man on the crew, so that if that happens, when they're here, they know what to do.
So as we get closer to going online with our new power plant, there is no question that this facility is state-of-the-art. No matter how automated the system, no matter how many computers control it, it still takes a highly efficient, of course, highly trained team of engineers to keep the lights on. I'm Dr. John Thomas Mahegan with a Facilities Master Plan update for Washington Hospital.